So you can see how delicious my ice cream looks like. So for that, what we need is 14 biscuits of Oreo, vanilla extracts and heavy cream. I have taken this 30 rupees Oreo, this is the vanilla one. I'm gonna insert these biscuits into a plastic bag. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can use that, but I didn't have, so I'm gonna be using this. Nextly, I'm gonna be folding it because I didn't have the Ziploc one. I'm gonna take a balloon and then just crush all the biscuits. Then I'm going to be transferring the crushed biscuits into a bowl. Nextly, I have taken 500 grams of whipping cream. I'm going to whip it using a machine. If you don't have a machine, you can use a mixie jar. It will approximately take 7 to 10 minutes to become soft peaks. After that, it will take only 2 to 3 minutes to get into a stiff peaks. So this is what my stiff peaks looks like. Next, I'm gonna add the crushed biscuits and then just mix it again. Next, I'm gonna add vanilla essence. I'm gonna be adding 2 to 3 drops. Nextly, I'm gonna be transferring into a box. I had this ice cream maker in my fridge, so I'm gonna be using that. If you don't have that, you can use a plastic bowl or a box. So next I'm gonna be leveling up equally. And adding some pieces of Oreo biscuits just for decoration purpose. If you want, you can. I'm gonna be keeping it in the refrigerator for 6 hours.
6.5 hours later.
So this is what my ice cream looks like after 6 hours. This looks so delicious.